Hey guys, Jay here. So today was supposed to be the video where I talk about Sakuracon and all the stuff I'm doing there, line up, all that kind of stuff. Sadly, that's not going to be happening. Sakuracon has canceled this year. Because of the outbreak of the COVID-19 coronavirus, a lot of things have been shut down and a lot of the state of Washington isn't even allowed to pretty much leave their homes. So other than going to like the grocery store for essentials or stuff like that. But Seattle has actually banned all events, like any event period, until the day after Sakuracon would have ended. So that means it runs through the dates of Sakuracon, and it's very unlikely they would have been able to reschedule anyway. From what we've been hearing from some of the people who know staff members or who are staff members, the reason that they're on Easter weekend is because it's the cheapest weekend and nobody wants it. And they're like, whatever, we don't have enough to get anything else, so we'll take it. And they did. So that seems to be why they have it on that weekend, which actually makes a lot more sense, because it doesn't seem smart to have a convention on a weekend where people are going to be like, no, you can't leave, this is family time for a lot of the Christian people or something. I don't know. People who celebrate Easter with their families and stuff like that, they would be like, no, you can't go because this weekend we're going to be at grandma's house or something. But I guess the price and the fact that they're non-profit kind of explains all of that. So, because of that, it is canceled and it's not happening this year at all. I'm hoping to make it down to Chibi Chibi Con. If I do, I may vlog down there, I may not. It all depends on who goes with me, who can help me with carrying stuff. Because if I go down there with, say, Cloud, then there's no way that I can, do the vlog stuff because I can't carry my backpack with me or my camera or anything. So there's absolutely no way that I'd be able to do that. As far as we know right now, PAX and Sakuracon are going to still happen. So if PAX happens and they change their rules a little bit so that we can go outside, because last year they barred off the entire outside, and if you went outside the barrier, which was outside the little courtyard, then you had to walk all the way around the building and stand in line to get inside. Nobody wanted to do that, so nobody went outside. But that also made photo shoots were going to be pretty scarce. Nobody wanted to attend any, nobody wanted to have any because of that. So if they change the rules to let us be able to go outside like that, then and maybe change the barrier so that it's just around that block, and then they have people like at an entrance right there at the end of the park or something, then that could help. But we don't know, and I'm gonna do some searching around and talking on some forums and stuff like that to see what I can come up with. But Sakuracon is the next for sure 100% I'm going to convention. So the second half of April was going to be all of my Sakuracon videos, but since that's not happening, lucky you guys, you get another tutorial. So there'll be 2 tutorials in April, so I guess that's good. And hey, while I'm here doing this video, I might as well do a little bit of an update as well. I've now updated my website so that the template page now has tutorial videos, so it'll bring you straight to the video if you want to just go there and look at all my tutorials. And just like it was before, there'll be a picture above it with whatever the prop is or whatever that I'm making. So if you guys want a faster way to get to my tutorials without having to go through a whole playlist, you can see them a lot more compact on my website in a grid, which will make it a little bit easier to find. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you guys later.